Hi, I'm Deanna from Picky Pam at the Beach. Hey, we get a lot of questions about how to clean the knit comb. So I just wanted to take a quick few minutes here to demonstrate on how to clean the comb at home. So what you're going to need is a brush. We like either a toothbrush or a nail brush, something with smaller bristles. You're also going to need some soap, and you can do this right in any sink. So what you're going to do is put a little bit of soap on your brush, and it could be hand soap or dish soap. And under running water, you're going to want to scrub your brush and turn it over and scrub the other side, and be sure to get right here where the needles connect to the handle. So once you've scrubbed your comb, you're going to want to put it under running water and then just really strum it. And then turn it over, strum it again so it gets nice and rinsed off. So the last step is you're going to want to dry your comb. It's a good idea not to let your stainless steel comb sit in any kind of moisture. So there you have it, a clean, dry comb ready for the next use.